What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you another goofy glitch with CS2. This one's a little bit less noticeable compared to the Michael Jackson peak and throwing it back. Anyways, it's definitely an issue nonetheless to do with movement, although a little bit less game-breaking to say the least. It's colloquially come to be known as the Shakira Walk. Basically, all you need to do is, when you're playing the game, simply hold W or whatever key and tap A and D to move left and right while you're doing so. When you do so, you'll see that you shake it. That's pretty much it. There's a specific rhythm you need to get with this, which shouldn't be all that difficult, but it is mostly possible. If I try a controller, for example, to get smooth movement, which is a bit of a sin in CSGO, but anyways, you can see I can much more finely control my movement from side to side, but if we use that, we can get quite an aggressive hip movement going on, to say the least. Obviously, it's not the craziest thing that's going on in this game currently, but it's definitely goofy nonetheless, and something that'll probably be patched out pretty soon, so at least for now, you know how to do it. It's that simple. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.